Let's move on to the next story that we are tracking here. And once again, it's Rahul Gandhi who has put the focus back on the language debate. Why? Because Rahul Gandhi made another comment in Rai Bareli. What did the leader of opposition say? He said in his interaction, he spoke about the significance of learning English. He was speaking to youth in Rai Bareli and he emphasized that English can help one in any part of the world. And then he said it is the biggest weapon. He then went a step further to go on to claim that the RSS and the Bharatiya Janata Party do not want people to learn English and that they don't want Dalits, they don't want Adivasis and they don't want the poor to prosper.
बीजेपी आरएसएस के लोग कहते हैं कि अंग्रेजी नहीं सीखनी चाहिए, मगर फिर इतने जो बच्चे हैं ये सब अंग्रेजी सीखते हैं। ये मुझे समझाओ, मोहन भगवत हर रोज कहता है भैया अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलनी चाहिए, हिंदी बोलनी चाहिए, मगर फिर आप आरएसएस के बच्चों को देखो, बीजेपी के लोगों के बच्चों को देखो, इनके मंत्रियों के बच्चों को देखो, सब इंग्लैंड जाने पड़ रहे हैं। ये हो क्या रहा है? अंग्रेजी भैया अंग्रेजी हथियार है। अंग्रेजी आप सीख गए तो आप कहीं भी घुस जाओ। अंग्रेजी आप सीख गए तो आप तमिलनाडु चले जाओगे, मुंबई चले जाओगे, अमेरिका तक जाओगे, जापान चले जाओगे, कहीं भी जा सकते हो, किसी भी कंपनी में काम कर सकते हो। वो चाहते हैं कि आप भैया अंग्रेजी मत सीखो, क्योंकि जहां अंग्रेजी बोली जाती है वो चाहते हैं वहां दलित ना आए, आदिवासी ना आए, पिछड़ा ना आए, गरीब जनरल कास्ट का भी काम है, ठेका लगा हुआ है उनका। मगर अंग्रेजी आपका सबसे बड़ा हथियार है, क्योंकि अंग्रेजी आपको कहीं भी पहुंचा देगा। तो ये आपको सब कुछ मालूम होना चाहिए, अंग्रेजी जरूरी है, हिंदी भी जरूरी है।
Now, interestingly, even as the leader of opposition, even as Rahul Gandhi bats for English and calls it the biggest weapon for students, it will be really interesting to see what his party's own allies have to say. Now, remember, we are going to tell you about what is the stand of parties in states like Karnataka and in Tamil Nadu. Now, Rahul Gandhi's message is this. He says that English is the biggest weapon. But will there are leaders in the Congress party agree? Because it's the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Siddaramaiah, who opposes central job exams in Hindi and in English, and this happened as recently as November 2023. Then Rahul Gandhi goes on to say, tell students that you can go anywhere with English. To which Siddaramaiah, in the past, that is in the year 2019, Siddaramaiah had said that we are opposed to English as a medium in primary education. And let's also now tell you about some other things that allies of the Congress party and the stand that they have taken with regards to the language debate. Now, Rahul Gandhi's messages, be it Tamil Nadu, be it Japan or be it Mumbai, English will be your biggest weapon. It will help you. An ally in the state of Tamil Nadu, that is Stalin. Stalin has opposed Hindi imposition and the DMK. Now, Rahul Gandhi says that it is the BJP and the RSS who do not want youth to learn English and make it their weapon. And the DMK in the past has gone on to say that Tamil will lose its identity when it comes to the language debate. Now, this is the kind of stand taken by the Congress party's own party and also the allies of the Congress party. So, this is what has been happening. This is the larger debate around language. And now we are going to find out what allies have been saying. So, this is the latest response coming in. Rahul Gandhi goes on to say that, English is the biggest weapon. Youth should know English and this will help them anywhere. Varshini is joining us. Rahul Gandhi once again stirring the language debate, Varshini. Now, get us reactions from the DMK, because in the past we know the kind of line that the DMK has taken with regards to the Tamil language itself. They have always opposed, be it in parliament, be it in the state, they have opposed language imposition. Now, when Rahul Gandhi says and puts the larger focus on English, what is the DMK stand?
Well, for the past 10 days, the language row is happening in the state of Tamil Nadu after the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan visited Tamil Nadu and spoke about how the NEP has to be implemented. The DMK government and its alliance parties, which is the India bloc, in fact, has been, talking about this, and in fact, they protested against the union government for trying to impose Hindi onto the state of Tamil Nadu, a couple of days ago. Therefore, the Chief Minister also has been every other day reiterating that the Tamil Nadu will never accept for the three-language policy. It will only stick to two language, which is Tamil and English. It will never allow Hindi or any other language to come to the state of Tamil Nadu. Particularly Hindi is what the state of Tamil Nadu and its government is against. And also on the other hand, we are seeing that right now with the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, who's also an alliance partner with the DMK in the India bloc, has also spoken about how English is a weapon.
Right.
And this also means that the DMK is joining hands with Congress.
Yes.
And the DMK is definitely supporting Rahul Gandhi in this matter to speak about Hindi imposition that they've been protesting about for ages now.
Yes, but the BJP goes on to say that this is an attempt to undermine languages, regional languages, and what is the stand of the allies of the Congress party? It will be interesting to know. Thank you so much, Varshini, for getting us all those latest details.